Atlantis Rail is proud to introduce our very popular Spectrum with aluminum top rail cable railing system. This versatile system is offered in surface or fascia mount and provides the clean, modern aesthetic of cable railing while offering less obstruction of your views. Developed and proven to withstand harsh weather, the Spectrum posts and aluminum top rail feature a smooth, durable powder coat finish available in black, silver, white, and dark brown color options. Cable infill is made from marine grade 316 stainless steel for maximum corrosion resistance. Compatible with under-rail lighting, this system allows you to easily customize your indoor or outdoor, residential or commercial space. All Spectrum systems are code compliant and available in 36 and 42-inch heights, with customizations available upon request. Choose from a variety of standard post types designed to accommodate any configuration. This system is off the shelf, which means we pick and ship quickly once your order has been placed. Posts arrive pre-drilled with 2 5/8-inch cable spacing for code compliancy and are supplied with skirts and top mounting plates for attaching the top rail. Posts measure 1.5 by 1.5 inches with an 1/8-inch wall thickness and easily surface or fascia mount to your structure. Spectrum's rigid aluminum top rail measures 1.5 inches by 3.5 inches and is available in standard 4, 6, and 8-foot lengths. Top rail sections are joined utilizing a small assortment of adaptive rail fittings. 1/8-inch cable and low-profile crimp fittings minimize visible hardware. Fittings are attached to the cable using Atlantis' precision handy swage crimp tool. The simple design of these cable fittings allow for easy tensioning of your cable runs using common hand tools. This easy-to-maintain system washes clean with soap and water. For more information or to request a quote, check out our website. And thanks for making Atlantis the choice for your view.